In this video, you'll learn how to access and use the Academic Video Online database provided by Shea Library. Academic Video Online contains over 80,000 video resources, including educational videos, documentaries, and films. To reach the databases from your My AIC portal, first, find the Quick Links menu on the left-hand side of the page and select Library. Then, scroll down and find the Useful Links menu on the right-hand side. Select Databases. This will bring you to a list of all library databases organized alphabetically. You can use the search menu to filter databases by subject or by research type. You can also check out the Featured Databases menu on the right side. Today, we're going to scroll down and select Academic Video Online under the letter A. When you click into the database, you may be prompted to log in. Remember that your library login is not the same as your single sign-on login for My AIC, and check out our tutorial on how to log into library resources if you're having trouble. I'll go ahead and get logged in here. Once you've logged in, you'll see the landing page for Academic Video Online. If you scroll down, you can see a section of featured videos, which often includes recently added or popular titles. You can also select Browse or Search Academic Video Online to see all videos in the database. By default, the videos will be presented in order of purchase, but this doesn't necessarily show you the most recently published videos. To see the most recently published videos first, select the Sort By menu and change the selection from Newest Arrivals to Release Date Newest First. This will show you the most recently published videos first instead of the most recently purchased. To search an academic video online, select the search bar and put in your keywords. If you put multiple keywords in the search bar for Academic Video Online, it will search them as though they are connected with the Boolean OR, even if you didn't put the Boolean OR in your search. Notice 328 results. If I add OR, still 328 results. And it also doesn't use the Boolean AND, which means it'll respond to the word AND in a search like it's a normal word. So if I replace OR with AND, I'm still going to get 328 results. This also means that in a search like this, where I have PTSD and treatment, or just PTSD treatment, I can add all the relevant keywords with or without Booleans and get good results. So that's something to keep in mind. This also means that when you search an academic video online, you can just put all of your relevant keywords into the search bar without really worrying much about Booleans. On the left-hand side of the screen, you can access the filters. Some of these filters include subject. For our search here, some relevant subjects include counseling and therapy and social sciences. We could narrow by release date with this slider here. So we can reduce to more recent resources. We can also narrow by content type, such as documentary or instructional video or news stories. We can narrow down by the length of the video. So we can see here most of them are going to be in the range of an hour or two. But you can narrow by that. Publisher. So this is where you can see some major news organizations, stuff like that. So we have CBS, we have PBS, we have BBC. Language, and people featured in the content. Here at the top of the search, we can see how many results we're getting. Our results will be sorted in order of relevance by default, but they can, again, be changed to sort by how recently they were published or purchased, among other things. So we could sort this search, and instead of getting necessarily the most relevant stuff to the search at the very top, we would get anything that mentions it, but the most recent things at the top. Now let's turn to your results, which are presented in a much different way than our other databases here at AIC. When you hover your cursor over each result, an option to see details will appear. If you select this option, you'll see a short panel of information about the resource, including its creators, its publisher, the duration of the resource, and a short summary. You can click and drag the red dot on the video preview to explore what different parts of the resource look like without entering the video player. You can also click the resource title or the play symbol in the middle of the video preview to access the resource.
This program possible.
Once you've accessed a resource, it will begin playing. You can pause and play the video by clicking on the screen or the pause play button in the bottom left corner. Next to the pause play button in the bottom left corner are options to rewind or fast forward by 10 seconds. Across the top of the video player are multiple useful tools. Selecting transcript allows you to view and search a transcript of the video. You can also highlight and copy text out of the transcript, making it easy to retrieve quotes you'd like to use in your research. Selecting details allows you to view details about the resource, including its abstract or summary, publication date, creators, and subject matter. In the bottom right corner, you can toggle closed captions on and off, and select the gear-shaped settings icon to access more video settings, including caption language, video quality, playback speed, and autoplay. You can also use the square buttons just above these options to access a shareable link or to access a reference citation, making it easier to cite the resources we have available here on Academic Video Online in your projects and your papers. You can use this drop-down menu here to convert between styles of citation as well. To return to your search results, use the back arrow on your browser. To return to the home page for Academic Video Online, select the hamburger menu, 3 horizontal lines, in the top left corner, then select Featured, Academic Video Online. This will bring you back to the home screen, where you can click Browser Search Academic Video Online again to browse or search every title in the collection. You may also find it interesting to browse subchannels of the collection using the hamburger menu under Popular Channels, including the Documentaries channel, PBS, and the Sony Picture Classics channel, which includes many full-length films. If you have any questions about Academic Video Online or need assistance, please contact us at shay.library@aic.edu, and have a great day.